Let's update the video I did a few years back on writing job offer letters. Prior to implementing any of this information, please do your own research in the area where your business resides. A couple of years ago, one of my first videos was how to write a job offer letter, and I'll put a link to that video right here. And in that period of time, the Texas Workforce Commission released some additional recommendations as it relates to writing job offer letters, and that's what this video is about. For the purposes of this video, your job candidate has accepted your job offer letter, signed and returned the document to you. Of course, you're going to include the date in which the job offer letter was written and submitted to the job candidate. You're going to include the job candidate's complete information. And when I say complete information, I mean the individual's first and last name, their street address, where they live, not a P.O. box, a city, state, and zip code. You would include that candidate's phone number and email address. Any other information that you think you might need to contact that person. On your new job offer letter, indicate how that letter was sent. Was it sent via email? Was it mailed to the individual or hand delivered? State the purpose of your letter. Your company is pleased to offer you the position of blah, blah, blah. That information hasn't changed. What I recommend, in addition to a start date, indicate the physical location of your company. Discuss any unique parking situations, any difficulties finding parking. Is it paid parking? And if it's paid parking, who's going to cover that cost? Will the applicant require any additional travel time to get to your company because of security guard checks, metal detectors, and things of that nature? In that job offer letter, I would also include any additional tasks that that job applicant will have to complete prior to starting any of the job duties on the job description. For example, will that person be buddied up with another employee for any type of additional training or unique training? In your job offer letter, confirm the following information. State the new hire's job title, the supervisor whom they will be contacting. And when I say supervisor, indicate the supervisor's name in addition to the job title of that supervisor. Indicate whether or not the job is exempt or is it non-exempt. And of course, compensation. And here is where the Texas Workforce Commission recommends a change. It is recommended now that employers no longer document annual salary amounts on job offer letters. And that's because it could imply that you intend to keep that employee for at least a year. Instead, it's best to list weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or whatever pattern your company issues payroll. Outline any benefits your company offers, and when you do that, make sure you indicate when those benefits start. Will paid holidays, for example, be a benefit that can start immediately? Will health insurance begin 30 days after the date of hire? When will PTO begin to accrue? State your company's at-will status. I'm going to read this directly from the Texas Workforce Commission's website. In accepting our offer of employment, you certify your understanding that your employment will be on an at-will basis and that neither you nor any company representative have entered into a contract regarding the terms or the duration of your employment. As an at-will employee, you will be free to terminate your employment with the company at any time, with or without cause or advance notice. Likewise, the company will have the right to reassign you, to change your compensation, or to terminate your employment at any time with or without cause or advance notice. Again, this is recommended by the Texas Workforce Commission to be added to your job offer letter. I further recommend that you outline the conditions of employment. For example, your new hire will be contingent upon completing and signing all new hire documents, passing a background check, passing a drug test. Whatever unique conditions your company has as it relates to hiring new employees, please state that your offer letter is not an employment contract? And finally, how long is your job offer valid? For more information relating to job offer letters, I invite you to watch my older video on this subject. What does your company add to its job offer letters? Please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about business operations, business management, human resources, and other topics related to running a business, click on one of those play links. Click on one of these click on the playlist.
One eternity later.
Click on one of these playlists. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.